Okay, Matt, thank you. We'll be watching. Well, this weekend was another big milestone in the COVID-19 pandemic, with most of Indiana entering stage 4 of reopening. So here's where those numbers stand this morning. Health leaders reported another 400 cases and 9 deaths. Will likely surpass 40,000 cases once those new numbers come in later today. So far, more than 2,200 Hoosiers have died. We also want to share how many COVID patients end up in the hospital in Indiana. State officials say only about 17% of people diagnosed with COVID-19 are actually hospitalized. That percentage is likely even lower since we know so many people never actually got an official test. Right now, about 869 patients are in the hospital, roughly a third of them in the ICU.
Well, Marion County will join the rest of the state in stage 4 later this week on Friday. But a couple of things to note for today. The City Council building will partially reopen today for criminal court appearances and police services. Also taking place, the Indianapolis Zoo is going to start accepting reservations for when it reopens this Friday. Reservations are required and new for safety precautions. Zoo members can sign up today, and everybody else can start reserving their spots on Wednesday. Speaking of reopening, take a look at Saxony Lake and Beach reopening over the weekend. Lots of families on the beach, also people out on the water. They're kayaking and fishing. The Fishers Health Department is encouraging everyone to socially distance and to wear masks if you're over the age of 2.
Also, splash pads at 2 Fishers parks are open. They opened for the first time on Friday. The playgrounds are also open, but things like drinking fountains are still closed. Fishers Parks plans to be fully operational during stage 5 of the governor's reopening plan, which begins July 4th.
Well, with some areas of the U.S. easing up on their restrictions, hotels are getting ready for business.
Yeah, we're going to show you what some of the major hotel chains are doing now to make sure your stay is a safe one.